Hello viewers and welcome to another episode of Excel Learning to Excel in Excel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to fetch live stock prices automatically and put it on repeat mode forever. And the prices and other parameters which we'll see in a while will get auto refreshed again and again and again at just a click of a button. So without any ado, let us dive into the data points and then look at what is our destination, and then we'll figure out how to achieve the same. So let's say you work for a company or even for your personal portfolio management, you have shortlisted 35 stocks for which you want to regularly monitor the stock prices. So one of the ways to do that is you select the stock, go to Google Chrome or Edge, fetch the price and keep plotting here. So again, after 2 hours, let's say tomorrow you want to see whether it has increased or decreased, you are again going over there and doing the same activity. Now there are 2 points here. One is it is a very time consuming process. Second, it is also prone to error because the moment you do something manually, it is prone to error. Now, if I were to show you something like this, wherein the price, market cap, employees, year incorporated, and other some 20 odd different parameters which are there can be automatically fetched and it can be refreshed just at the click of a button. How would you feel about that? Isn't that amazing? Recently, a friend of mine came to me with such a problem statement, and when I showed him this solution, he was flabbergasted. He was like, okay, this can be done so easily, otherwise, I had to spend hours doing it. Excited? Let's see how to accomplish the same. So, it's a very simple thing. You just have to go to your list where you have stored the name of the stocks for which you want to monitor, select the items or the stock names, then head over to the data tab. Inside the data tab, click on data types, which is stocks. The moment you do that, it basically converts all the shares or stocks which are there in your list into a home symbol, which means now it is directly connected to the internet and it is readable as a stock from an Excel point of view. One caveat here, this functionality is available only in Excel or rather Office 365, Excel for web, iPad, Android versions, etc. It is not available for desktop versions lower than Office 365. So you have to be on Office 365 in order to avail this functionality. Now the good part is once you have done this, a small menu gets activated over here. This is the magic button. So you just click over here and then whatever parameters you want. So for example, I want the price. I'll select the price. I want, let's say, what is the industry? It will give me the industry. I want, let's say, what is the employee count? It will give me the employee count, so on and so forth. And if you see here, it is actually a formula which is .@name.price, which means it is actually connected to this cell, and this cell in turn is connected to the internet. So the moment I want to refresh the price, I simply have to go to refresh all and refresh inside the data tab. Let me know in the comment section how did you feel about this video and if it helped you in your stock price journey or your investment journey, and do let me know if how you were doing it earlier before knowing this. Thank you for watching. Share it with someone who may need it.